What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Gemini in Chrome browser. Firstly, open Chrome. Go to Gemini.com, then sign in with your Google account. Now you'll see a chat interface similar to ChatGPT. Just type your query in the input box. What's up everyone and welcome back to another video and tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Google Gemini in Chrome browser. Google Gemini is currently in preview for Chrome and it's an opt-in feature, meaning you have to enable it manually. Just open Chrome in beta, dev or canary. Go to Settings, AI Innovations, then Gemini in Google. Enable Show Gemini in System Tray and turn on a keyboard shortcut. After enabling, a Gemini button appears at the top right of your browser. Just click the Gemini button to open a flyout panel. You can ask questions, summarize web pages, and get suggestions or explanation. Feels similar to typing Gemini in the address bar or using gemini.google.com. Use the sharing button to give Gemini access to the current page. Gemini can answer questions based on the page content. Just note that all interactions are processed by Google. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.